Yes.
Now coming to question number third. Question number third is saying we have to multiply the given fractions. Okay. So see here, to multiply the fractions. Okay. This 7 can be written as 7 by 1 because after dividing 7 by 1 we will get again 7. Okay. Multiplied 3 by 5. Okay. In this type of multiplication of fractions, we multiplied numerator with numerator, okay, and denominator with denominator. So 7 will be multiplied with 3 and 1 will be multiplied with 5. 7 3 ja 21 by 1 5 ja 5. And then we have to convert this 21 by 5 into mixed fraction. So to convert to 21 into 5, what we do? 21, we divide 21 by 5. 5 4 ja 21. Okay, this quotient is written as whole part. Okay, and this becomes numerator and 5 becomes denominator. Okay, so 4 will be written as whole part and 1 will be written, this remainder will be written as numerator. Okay, and this 5 will be denominator. So the value of 7 cross 3 by 5 is equal to 4 whole 1 by 5. Coming to question number 5. Okay, 2 by 3 cross 4. Okay, 2 by 3 multiplied 4. We can write this 4 as 4 by 1. Okay, because on dividing 4 by 1 we will get again 4. Its value will not change. Now what we do? We multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 2 4 ja 8 by 3 1 ja 3. Again we will convert this 8 by 3 into mixed fraction. So what we do? We divide 8 by 3. 3 2 ja 6. 8 minus 6 2. This quotient will be written as whole part. This remainder will be written as numerator and this divider will be written as denominator. So the mixed fraction is 2 whole 2 by 3. So the value of 2 by 3 multiplied 4 is equal to 2 whole 2 by 3. Now coming to 15 into 3 by 5. Okay, this can be written as 15 by 1. Okay, you can cross here like 5 3 3 ja 15. But see here, first multiply the numerators. Okay, 15 3 ja 45. 1 5 ja 5. Now on dividing 45 by 5 we get 9. Okay, and this kind of, if you want to write this 9 as a fraction, what will write? 9 by 1. Okay, or 9, both answers are correct. Now coming to question number 4. Here in question number 4, one is saying 1 by, we have to set 1 by 2 of the circles in the box. Okay, in this box there are 12 circles here. Okay, so out of these 12 circles we have to fill, we have to set half part, means 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 of 12, the meaning of is multiplied. So 1 by 2 into 12. So 2 6 ja 12. Okay, so the 1 by 2 of the circles given in this box is 6. So we will circle 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now coming to second. We have to set 2 by 3 of triangles. Okay. Here we see that there are 9 triangles given here. And we have to fill, out of these 9 triangles we have to set 2 by 3. Okay. So first we will find what is the 2 by 3 of 9. The meaning of is multiplied. So I write here 2 by 3 into 9. 9 by 1. Now 2 9 ja 18. By 3 1 ja 3. Now we're dividing 18 by 3 we get 6. So here we get that 2 by 3 or 9 is 6. So we will set 6 triangles. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now coming to question number 5, we have to find in A, we have to find a 1 by 2 of 24. Then we will find 1 by 2 of 46. Okay, first we will find half of, either you say half or 1 by 2. 1 by 2 of 24. So I write here 1 by 2 of 24. The meaning of is multiplied. So I write here 1 by 2. In place of I write here multiplied 24. Okay, we can write this 24 as 24 by 1. What I said, we will multiply the numerator with numerator. So 1 into 24, that is 24 by 2 into 1, 2. On dividing 24 by 2, we get 12. Now we will solve half of this 46. Okay, again we will convert this off into multiplied. So I write here 1 by 2 into 46. Okay, this 46 can be written as 46 by 1. Okay, now we will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Okay, 1 into 46 is equal to 46 by 2 into 1, 2. On dividing 46 by 2 we get 23. Now coming to D, we will find the 4 by 5 of this 20. Okay, meaning of each multiplied. So I write here 4 by 5 into 20. We can write this 20 as 20 by 1. You can solve here 5 4 ja 20. Okay, now 4 4 ja 16. Or you can solve by multiplying 4 into 20, 80 by 5 into 1, 5. Now on dividing 80 by 5, we will get again 16. Okay, now we will find this value 4 by 5 of 35. Okay, 4 by 5 meaning of is multiplied 35. We can write 35 as 35 by 1. Now multiply this and this, or you can solve 5 7 ja 35 and then multiply 7 4 ja 28. 4 by 5 of 35 is 28. Now coming to question number 6. In question number 6, we have to multiply and express as mixed fraction. Okay, see here, first we have to multiply this. We have to multiply this 3 into 5 whole 1 by 5. We will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, this 3 will remain same. 3 into, how to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction? It is multiplied with 5. So 5 5 ja 25 plus 1 26 by 5. Okay, now we will multiply. We can write this 3 as 3 by 1. We multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. On multiplying 26 into 3, we get okay, 1 into 5 5. Okay, this is the product after multiplying these values. Okay, and again we have to convert this product into mixed fraction. So we convert 5 1 ja 5, 7 minus 5 2, 5 5 ja 25, 8 minus 5 3. This quotient is written as whole part. This remainder is written as numerator. Okay, now on converting, this 15 is written as whole part, this 3 is written as numerator, and this 5 is written as denominator. So its value after multiplying this number we get 15 whole 3 by 5. Now we will solve this. We will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 4 into 6 3 ja 18 plus 1 19 by 3. We can write this 4 as 4 by 1. Now 4 into 9. Okay, and 1 into 3 by 3. Now on dividing 76 by 3. 3 2 ja 6, 7 minus 6 1, 3 5 ja 15 1. This will be written as whole part 25, this as numerator, and this 3.